Hello friends, my name is Hamid. Today I'm working on this Maytag top load washer, and my customer's complaint was that it makes a lot of a squealing noise or a squeaking noise when they run the drain cycle on this. When it goes to the end of the cycle, when it's the drain time, it makes a lot of a squealing noise. And I found this pump, this is the drain pump, has defective on it. Most of the time if a unit like this makes a squealing noise, you're gonna open the two hoses from the back where the drain hose location is, or drain pump location, and then you will check for garbage and debris build up there, coins, buttons, anything comes here and it sticks there, and you will get a squealing noise. Or you can even find socks sometimes from these, and you can clean it. You don't need to replace the drain pump. But in my case, there's more than normal damage on it, so I replaced it and it's working fine. So for replacing this pump, you need 5/16 3/8, 5/16. 5/16s are the drill bits that opens the screws from the back. There's a back panel here. There's that panel. You're gonna take that off with the 5/16 screws. There's 4 of them, and then you can see the drain pump where it's located. But I also opened this front panel. You need a pry bar to open it. You're pressing against these tabs, and then this comes out, the front panel comes out, and the whole top comes off. But you don't need to do that, so I'm just gonna show you where the drain pump location is. It's just over there at the back, and there's 2 screws, there's 2 hoses. One is this one that goes from the tap. You can see it comes off from the tap, goes to the drain pump, and then there's another hose that goes from the drain pump outside for drainage. This drain pump is held to the base of the cabinet with 3 screws, one here, one there, and one here, and those are 3/8 drill bit. You also need a drill, which makes the job easier, otherwise you can do it with hand. And you also need a 1/4 inch drill bit to open the drain hose that goes out to the drainage from the drain pump. So you're going to use it over there, or which is there is a clamp. You see that clamp over there? That's 1x4 or 1/4 inch drill bit that you're going to open that clamp, and then the hose comes off from the drain pump. Also, these units makes a lot of squeaking noise or rattling noise, or they jump back and forth. If the snubber is gone on it, there's a piece. It's a plastic circle piece, and it goes underneath here. You really can't see it, but the snubber sits right there, and it wears out in years, and then you have to replace the snubber to stop this from shaking too much. Also, let me put these down there. So these 2 screws, once you open those tabs, these 2 screws are holding this front panel to the cabinet. There, one screw goes here, one goes there, and you can take that panel off. The main important part when you replace this drain pump is to make sure your belt is in very good shape. When I saw this blackish color or rubbery greasy things on the bottom shaft or the pulley that looks blackish color, that indicated that my belt was also going bad, so I just asked my customer, I recommended them to replace this the belt. They needed the belt anyway, so otherwise the belt was still working fine. To replace this drain pump, you're gonna take those 3 screws off, and then you're gonna pull the washer out from the wall because you're gonna tilt it. So you will disconnect the drain hose first, and then you're gonna hold it and pull it out, which is hard right now. I have camera in my hand. So I kind of pull it out, and from underneath you will see the pulley for the transmission, the motor pulley, and the back is the drain pump pulley, and the belt goes around it. It's super easy to replace the belt, and I would recommend you to replace the belt every time you're replacing the drain pump, especially if the belt is not in good shape. I can see some wear and tear, some cuts on the belt, but other than that, these belts are cheap. When you're replacing the drain pump, replace the belt, and that should take care of the problem. So you can see that right now, when I run it on a spin cycle, it doesn't make that noise anymore. This is the transmission shaft. And the noise could be from transmission, it could be from the motor, it could be from anything. You want to make sure you confirm the noise first, then after that decide which part needed to be replaced. Thank you for watching my videos. If you guys have any question about any make or model appliances, don't hesitate to comment below on my YouTube channel videos. Thank you.